Fury unleashed. A glimpse into the cyclone's heart. Imagine a wall of water towering above you. The wind howls like 1,000 demons, tearing at everything in its path. Rain falls sideways, stinging your skin like needles. This is the raw, untamed power of a cyclone, a force of nature capable of reshaping landscapes and leaving communities in ruins. These storms, known as hurricanes in the Atlantic and typhoons in the Pacific, are a stark reminder of the awesome power nature wields. Cyclones are not merely chaotic forces of destruction. They are complex weather systems, governed by the laws of physics, with a strange beauty hidden within their fury. Understanding these storms, their formation, and their potential impact is crucial, not just for meteorologists, but for all of us. As our planet warms, these storms are becoming more frequent and more intense. This is the reality we face, a world where the wrath of nature is increasingly unleashed. By understanding cyclones, we can better prepare for their arrival, mitigate their impact, and protect the lives and livelihoods they threaten. Birth of a tempest. Brewing storms in tropical paradises. The genesis of a cyclone lies in the warm, tropical waters of our oceans. These regions, bathed in sunlight, become breeding grounds for powerful storms. As the sun beats down, water evaporates, rising like steam from a kettle. This warm, moist air is the fuel that powers a cyclone's engine. The spinning earth adds another layer of complexity to this process. As the warm air rises, it is deflected by the Coriolis effect, causing it to spin. This spinning column of air begins to draw in more moisture, creating a cycle of rising air and condensation. The heat released during condensation further fuels the storm, causing it to grow in size and intensity. What starts as a cluster of thunderstorms can quickly transform into a well-defined circulation, the telltale sign of a developing cyclone. The winds pick up, the waves grow larger, and the storm begins its journey, often towards unsuspecting coastlines. The transformation from tranquil ocean to raging storm is a testament to the power of nature's forces. The eye of the storm, an eerie sanctuary amidst chaos. At the heart of every cyclone lies a paradox, a zone of surprising tranquility known as the eye. Surrounded by the most intense winds and torrential rain, the eye is an area of calm, with clear skies and almost no wind. This calm, however, is deceptive, a temporary reprieve from the fury that rages around it. The eye is formed as the air spinning into the storm is unable to reach the center. Instead, it is forced upward, creating a chimney-like structure. The air descending in the center of this chimney suppresses cloud formation, resulting in the clear skies that characterize the eye. The eye is not a place of safety. As the storm passes over, those caught in its path might be tempted to emerge from shelter, believing the worst is over. However, the winds and rain return with a vengeance. As the other side of the eye wall, the ring of powerful thunderstorms surrounding the eye moves over. Trails of devastation, when nature's fury leaves its mark. The destructive power of cyclones is etched in recent memory. Names like Katrina, Harvey, and Idai evoke images of flooded cities, shattered homes, and lives lost. These storms, once distant threats, are becoming increasingly common. Their impact a stark reminder of our planet's vulnerability. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina ripped through the southeastern United States, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. New Orleans, in particular, was devastated, its levees breached by the storm surge, flooding large parts of the city. The human cost was immense, with over 1,800 lives lost. More recently, Cyclone Idai tore through Mozambique, Malawi, and Zimbabwe, causing widespread flooding and landslides. The storm's impact was exacerbated by poverty and inadequate infrastructure, highlighting the vulnerability of developing nations to these extreme weather events. These are just two examples of the countless cyclones that have left their mark on our planet. Each storm carries a unique set of circumstances, but the message is clear. Cyclones pose a significant threat to human life and property. Section 5. Bracing for the onslaught, preparation, and the power of prediction. The key to mitigating the impact of cyclones lies in a combination of preparation and accurate forecasting. Modern technology has revolutionized our ability to track these storms, providing vital time for communities to prepare and evacuate. Satellites orbiting Earth provide a constant stream of data, allowing meteorologists to monitor the development and movement of cyclones. Sophisticated computer models process this data, predicting the storm's path and intensity with increasing accuracy. This information is disseminated through various channels, including television, radio, and social media, ensuring that communities in the storm's path are well informed. Early warning systems, such as sirens and mobile phone alerts, provide critical time for residents to seek shelter or evacuate to safer areas. Preparation is paramount. Reinforcing homes, stocking up on supplies, and having an evacuation plan can mean the difference between life and death. Community preparedness programs, disaster relief organizations, and government agencies play a crucial role in educating the public and coordinating relief efforts. Section 6. A world in flux. Climate change and the rise of the storms. As our planet warms due to human activity, the oceans are absorbing vast amounts of heat. This excess heat is fueling more intense cyclones and contributing to rising sea levels, which exacerbate the impact of storm surges. The science is clear. Climate change is increasing the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, including cyclones. Warmer ocean temperatures provide more energy for these storms, leading to higher wind speeds, heavier rainfall, and more destructive storm surges. The impact of climate change on cyclones is not limited to coastal regions. Inland areas are also at risk from increased rainfall and flooding, as warmer air holds more moisture. This can lead to catastrophic river flooding, landslides, and widespread damage to infrastructure and agriculture. Addressing climate change is not just an environmental issue, it is a matter of human safety and security. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions through a transition to clean energy sources and sustainable practices is crucial to mitigating the risks posed by these increasingly powerful storms. Section 7. The duality of nature. Beauty and terror in perfect harmony. There is a strange beauty to cyclones, a mesmerizing blend of power and grace that belies their destructive potential. The swirling clouds, the lightning illuminating the storm's eye, the sheer scale of these weather systems, all inspire awe and wonder. Yet, this beauty is inextricably linked to the storm's potential for destruction. The same forces that create the mesmerizing patterns of a cyclone also drive the winds that tear apart buildings and the waves that inundate coastlines. This duality is a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in nature. We are both humbled and threatened by the power of the natural world, a force that can both sustain and destroy life. It is a reminder that we are part of a larger system, interconnected with the planet and its processes. Section 8. Unveiling the secrets. The quest for understanding and safety. The study of cyclones is an ongoing endeavor, a quest to unravel the complexities of these powerful storms and improve our ability to predict and prepare for their arrival. Scientists are constantly refining computer models, analyzing historical data, and conducting research to better understand the factors that influence cyclone development and intensity. New technologies, such as drones and underwater gliders, are providing unprecedented insights into the inner workings of cyclones. These tools allow scientists to collect data in real time, improving our understanding of the storm's structure, wind patterns, and rainfall distribution. This research is vital for developing more accurate forecasting models, improving early warning systems, and informing building codes and land use planning. By understanding cyclones better, we can make more informed decisions to protect lives, property, and the environment. The quest for knowledge is a race against time. As climate change continues to fuel more intense storms, our ability to predict, prepare for, and mitigate their impact becomes increasingly critical. The future of countless communities lies in our hands, and the pursuit of understanding is our greatest weapon in the face of nature's fury.